Croeso nôl. Welcome back to Byw'n Iach. This video will help you make the most out of your visits to the centres and help keep you and our staff safe. Firstly, we ask that you do not attend the centre if you have any listed COVID-19 symptoms, have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 10 days, a member of your household has had symptoms or tested positive in the last 14 days, you've been contacted by the Test, Trace and Protect team and told to isolate, or you have returned from a country outside of the UK that is not on the exemption list. We're asking that people pre-book their sessions at the centre. You can do this online at bywniach.cymru or by calling your local centre. You'll be required to wear a face covering upon entry to the centre, in the reception area, in any other public places, and when leaving the centre after exercise. If you're attending a swimming session, please arrive beach ready. For full information on this, visit the FAQ section on our website. Unfortunately, showers and changing rooms will not be available, so please arrive at the centre ready to work out. Please observe social distancing measures both inside and outside the centre. Handy markers have been put in place to help you do this. Be sure to follow any one-way systems within the centre. Just look out for the blue arrows. Upon arrival, scan your card at reception to check in for your session. Be sure to make use of the hand sanitization stations around the centre. Toilets will be available in the centre, but with limited capacity. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after use. Our staff will be cleaning and sanitising the equipment and facilities regularly, with new cleaning procedures in place. You can do your part to help by cleaning all equipment after use. Please make use of the cleaning materials provided in the fitness room. Only use the available machines and equipment at the centre. Please note that not all equipment and facilities will be available. Water fountains and vending machines will not be available, so please make sure to bring your own drinks. Please note your exit point may be different to normal. Just follow the signage in the centre. Don't forget you can access fitness classes at home through our YouTube channel and via our live Zoom classes. We have updated the policies on our website in relation to Test, Trace and Protect. The latest information regarding this can be found at bywniach.cymru. From everyone at Byw'n Iach, diolch. Thank you.